Does it annoy you like it annoys me that a prestige car like a Jaguar does not show the Jaguar name on the brake calipers? Well, in this video, I'm going to fix that with the contents of what's in here. So to fix this, we're going to need these two items, which is these Jaguar decals. Not sure you can see them in the camera. I think these were the 68mm ones to fit on the actual brake caliper. And I've got some high temperature clear lacquer. Right, let's get started. So next we just need to pop this piece off here, which is separate to the rest of the caliper, and this should just pop off by lifting it up and popping it out of these two little grooves here. Might be worth giving this caliper a little bit of a clean while I'm in here, so I might do that as well before I put it all back together. So I'm going to go get the other side off and then we can do them both at the same time. So I've got them both off, let's give them a nice clean and use some isopropyl alcohol to remove any grease. So the company that supplies these, I'll put a link down below, but they usually supply you with 3, so you do get a spare. So I'm not sure, oh you can see them now. Now make sure you get this the right way because it's going to be like that on your caliper. So you need the Jaguar to be that way up on there, somewhere in the middle. Let's apply these decals. These babies are now ready for a couple of coats of lacquer. First coat done. Second coat. Right, now before reassembly, I'm going to give these calipers a bit of a wash because they are absolutely filthy. Much better. So now we can refit the last piece back to the caliper. Beautiful, now that looks amazing. So I'm going to go do the other side and then get the wheels back on, and then this job is done. And there we have it, job done, and that's how it should have been in the first place. So that's another nice mod done to my SVR, so if you do enjoy this sort of stuff, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All helps with the analytics and helps me to produce more videos like this just for you guys. See you next time.